All right, we're going to look at the Michael Jordan of questions because it is number 23. Ha ha. The beacon of a lighthouse swings through an arc of 55 degrees. If the beam of light can be seen from 6.5 miles away, what arc length does the path of the beam travel to the nearest mile? All right, cool. So how am I going to go about doing this? Well, if you read the question, it talks about arc length. It gives us a radius. So this is going to be dealing with the formula for arc length. You want to make sure you know this formula. It's theta over 360 times 2 pi r. It's really the circumference times the fraction of the circle we're concerned with. All right, we're going to substitute what we know. It says the beacon of the lighthouse swings through an arc of 55 degrees. So that means that theta is going to go ahead and become 55 degrees out of 360. We're going to multiply this by 2 pi r. Let's see, do we have to know r? If the beam of the light can be seen through from 6.5 away, that's going to be my r. I'm going to go ahead and put it over 1 to be a little clear. It says, what arc length does the path of the beam travel to the nearest side? So clearly, if the formula is asking for arc length, the answer to all of this is going to be my answer to the question. Now, maybe as I reread this question, maybe this is not 100% clear what they're actually saying. What they're saying is, you have this beacon right here, and the light spins around, and as it spins around, it makes a circle. It's just asking you for a piece of that spinning. Okay. So it's asking you for what's this length that it would cover, given this theta value and this r value here. Okay, so let's go through. We're going to solve this. This part here is pretty easy. You could use the calculator to reduce some of these values, but let's go ahead and just type it in straight forward into the calculator. I advise you, if you're going to go with the calculator straightforward through it, just do 55 times 2, times pi times 6.5. So notice I typed in the entire numerator and then divide by the entire denominator. Okay. If this was a fraction, if there was more in the denominator than just 360, I would have put everything in parentheses. All right. And so upon solving, we get 6.24. And if I look at my answer choices, the closest one to that is B. All right. There you go. It's pretty straightforward, actually. Looks a little difficult, but once you realize that it's just an arc length formula and you have the formula for arc length memorized, you're good to go. Keep in mind that you really do need to know this formula. You will have a lot of questions on the final related to this, so please study it. All right, see you in the next video.